Hi folks, my name's Paul Williams. I'm with Guarantee RV out here in Junction City, Oregon. And today we're going to be looking at this Sundance 278VH by Heartland. So let's go ahead and jump inside and take a look. I think you're going to love it. All right, well, jumping into the unit here, just taking a quick look around. Tons of living space in here if you get the whole family together. You got the drop-down dinette. You've got the couch that does fold out into another bed as well with a little bit of overhead storage. So you can really get those big family gatherings or just friends, maybe you meet out camping. In the back of the coach, you've got two full-size bunk beds, as well as your cornered bathroom, which is really great because you've got enough space in there to get around. It's not taking up too much space, and it leaves the floor plan wide open for you, so it's no inconvenience whatsoever. Coming into the living area, you've got a nice, looks like a 32-inch flat screen TV. You got your Bluetooth stereo system, DVD player, all of that good stuff, as well as your control panel as well right next to it. Really conveniently put together. You got a gas electric refrigerator, microwave, burner, and oven combination as well. That is a 3-burner stove, as well as the cornered sink here. So you've really got a lot of counter space, lots of electrical outlets as well. So you can put a toaster back there in the corner, coffee maker, all that stuff, and it's out of the way and you still have plenty of space to cook. Overhead, you've got 3 cabinets. They do go all the way back, so it's not one of those weird ones that's only halfway cut. And just lots of places to put everything. You can see you've got your heat ducts throughout the coach. It is ducted heat in here as well as ducted air conditioning, which is great for distributing heat and cool air depending on whatever time of year you're traveling in. Going into the bedroom, pretty standard bedroom setup, but it's a really great one. You've got electrical outlets on either side of the bed for your tablets, phones, anything else you need to charge. Hanging storage on either side as well, so you can have your clothes in one, you can have someone else's clothes in the other, or you can just have tons of storage, as well as overhead, and even lights for you to sit down, read a book, just relax at the end of the day. And it does close off with a barn style door. Even under the dinette, you have tons and tons of storage in here, so I can't emphasize enough. Lots of storage, lots of space, doesn't weigh very much at all. Just an awesome family unit. All right, folks. Well, thank you for taking a look at this with me. If you guys have any questions or any further information you'd like to get from myself, my phone number is 541-510-3584. Give me a call. I look forward to hearing from you.